If your child has food allergies, you are going to find that when he or she eats certain foods, there's an unusual reaction to them. So these reactions can be in the form of a rash. It can be in the form of difficulty breathing.
Okay.
Sometimes they have diarrhea, and then they pass stools and there's some blood in it. They may vomit what they eat. And generally, they may feel unwell. So you know that your child has a food allergy.
Does it have to happen more than once for me to say my child is allergic to this food?
Definitely, because there are other things that could look like food allergy. So you need to observe that anytime your child takes a certain food, there's this unusual reaction to the food, because before you can say that it's a food allergy, your child can eat something and vomit or feel unwell because of food poisoning or contaminated food. Yeah. So it needs to be, you need to observe a pattern that whenever your child eats this particular food, this happens to him or her.
Doc, I find that in this part of the world, sometimes people take the issue of food allergies quite casually. Is it an issue to take seriously? Can food allergies be deadly?
I guess, as you say, we take it casually because there is not such a big issue here as it is in the West. But nowadays, we know that those the diseases that are associated with allergic components are increasing nowadays. Yes, it didn't used to be so. It comes in association with asthma, which we also know that is on the rise. So that may be why it is taken casually. But yes, it could be fatal. You can eat a food that you're allergic to, and then as part of the manifestations of the allergy, your child finds it difficult to breathe because the airway is swollen. The airway may get so swollen that it's difficult for air to go in or out, and that can be fatal to the child. But then I guess it's just because we are not as used to it as in the West. But these days, diseases with allergic components are on the rise.
Joy Prime, the ultimate experience.